Hi guys, Mike Sperduti here, and all this week I've been talking about, hey, get inside sales going, get inside sales growing. If you're thinking about outsourcing a program, building one internally, or turning around or making your existing program better, you need to focus in on this amazing tool. But look, it doesn't work for everybody. And the reason why it doesn't work for everybody is two reasons. Either you have the wrong people or you have the wrong process. Right? You need to figure out which one it is. But I'll tell you right now, it's the fastest way to grow if you do it right, but it is hard. It's hard work. Think about what you have to do, or your people, what they have to do. Right? Typically, you start the process out with your product knowledge, and you have to now call into, let's use a hospital, and you have to find in the hospital the right decision maker, the right influencer, which in every hospital, it's usually a different clinician or a different business executive where you need to start that process. And so you have to figure all that out, and you got to get to the right person. So now think about what your people need to do. They have an idea of a title that may be the right person. They don't have a name. So now they have to dial. They get the main number, they get the switchboard. Sometimes that switchboard is an automated attendant, more times than not today. Sometimes it's a live person. You eventually have to get connected to a live person. Once you get to that person, you need their help in navigating to the department that you need to start out with. Then you get transferred to that department. Sometimes you get voicemail. Sometimes you get a live person. Either way, you have to get that live person on the phone and ask them to help you find the right person. So part of the big effort in your inside sales program is having the process just to find and capture and get that meaningful conversation. It's hard work. It's very hard work, and it takes technique and process and persistence and the right people to understand and be trained in that in order to execute all of that, right? Having the rapport to get the help to find the right person. Leaving voicemail when necessary, and strategic voicemail that generates the call back so you can continue the mission to find the right person. And then once you find the right person, you gotta be on. You have to have a message that literally grabs them and wakes them up, because now you're a salesperson and they know it, and you have to break down the resistance, and they're getting bombarded with salespeople and messaging and marketing, and now you have to rise above all that and get through to them to take action, and that is have a conversation with you. And that takes message engineering. You see, folks, this art and science of inside sales, it takes people who know what they're doing. You would not want to get brain surgery by somebody who was just hired 3 weeks ago, was given a handbook on brain surgery, and then go out there and have them operate on you, right? You'd be crazy to do that. Everybody like, nobody, I'd never do that. Well, that's the same craziness you're doing when you hire an inside sales team, a person, you outsource to a company that has no experience doing it, or has limited experience, or experience in another marketplace. It's insane. You want to get going, you want to get growing, get the folks who know what they're doing. Get inside salespeople who are skilled and knowledgeable. And that will be the reason why you succeed. Get out there, do it now.